To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the center engine cover by pulling up.
Use an 8mm driver to remove the 2 bolts securing
the housing. Lift the housing. Loosen the screws using a T25 Torx driver. Unclip and remove the filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing to clip it into place. Retighten the screws. Retighten the bolts. The engine cover snaps back onto the engine by lining up the clips with their catch. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.